isang video tayo natugtog malungkot. Si Bobby Binton, side A at side B pareho lang din, malulungkutin. 236 ito, pareho talaga. Ayan, Bobby Binton guys. Ngayon mami, maingay na naman ang paligid.
Mr. Lonely, I have nobody for my own.
Dear Michael, wish you were here. Today in school we discussed what is going on in Kuwait, and I was proud to say that my big brother is there fighting for our country. I miss you very much and can't wait to see you again. Love, your little sister.
Mr. Lonely, I wish that I could go back home. Letter, never wrote letter. I get no
Dear Daddy,
letter.
I wanted to write and let you know that we are proud that you are defending our country. When Mom and I see pictures of Kuwait in the newspaper and TV, we get worried for you. We miss you and want you to come home soon. Love, your